Sally's. I got a little bowl. I got a 30 developer from Ion. Ion 30 developer. And then I got the cream toner in Snowcap. And finally the bleach. Okay, so it's the bright white cream lightener, and I don't know, I felt like really intrigued to use this rather than the powder, so I'm hoping that it really works. And it's supposed to take care of your hair better, so it doesn't damage it as much as the powder does, and we'll find out. I also have a scale because I think that's how you weigh the stuff out. Like, I don't really get it, the ratios and stuff. I mean, it's pretty simple, I do get it. So this is where I'm gonna be parting my new section that I want. All of this bottom part down here. I think I said from my ear. We'll see how this looks. I think I'm gonna be starting on this bottom, the bottom pieces. And like I did say, I added new pieces, so the inside was blonde. Now I'm gonna be doing like the top part as well, the outside, just so that when I have it up in the front it's more. But I know it's gonna be uneven just because one's darker than the other one, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so right here I'm gonna start doing my mixture. It says you could either do a 1-to-1 ratio or a 1-to-2 ratio. Just to be safe, I'm gonna do a 1-to-1 because it says to not do a 30 developer on your roots. And I mean, I don't think I, oh, why did I do that? I don't think I am, but just to be safe, I want to do 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 would be like 1 ounce ratio to 1 ounce of each. Let's see how this goes. Me pasé for like 0.2. Okay, I'm gonna add a little of this oil. It's grape oil. Okay. So I'm gonna put this back in because I couldn't do it with it already on first. Just fold it. So now I'm going to be doing the top section. Ow. And the bottom, the first one has already been in for 15 minutes. I already looked at it, but it looks kind of the same. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Which would be like the other 15 minutes. So I only have 4 little churros. These two and these two. And yeah, I did make more of the mixture, but I did, instead of 1 ounce, I did 0.5 and 0.5 of each because it was just for this little piece right here. And it covered it, so yeah. I'll be back. Okay, so here's my result. It did lighten. Like right here, I feel like I lightened more on this side than on this side, but I forgot that I did this side first and I washed it out all together. So I should have waited on this side a little bit, like probably 5 more minutes, which I can go through it again, but I don't want to damage it or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this real quick just to see the color, and then I'm gonna put in the toner. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the toner, and I did get the, where'd it go? Oh shit, I already mixed it. It's the Snow Cap Ion Toner. And let's see, I'm gonna leave it in for like 30 minutes and or 35 minutes to see what it looks like. Focus. Okay, yeah, so it's already changing the color, taking out that yellow. Ooh, I'm excited. I put in the toner. It already looks nice, not yellow, so it took out all the yellow. It looks like it's turning white. Let me show you guys what I wanted actually. That's what I wanted. But obviously my hair was too dark, so I had to do two sessions or more. Basically, let me show you all of them. So all of these girls were my inspo. Yeah, but we shall see. I'll obviously show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna like style my hair too. Probably just straighten it, or I don't know, maybe I'll curl it a little bit. I'm gonna leave it in for 35 minutes. It's barely been like 5 minutes since I put it in. So I'm gonna go on TikTok and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. And here's the hair. I'm gonna go wash it out. And then this, like right here, is definitely where right here got like patchy. Okay, so final thoughts and results are here. I still like it, and like I did say, I am gonna be doing another layer of the bleach whenever I have time, and just to cover the darker spots that were brown or black, whatever my hair color is. And then I'll retone it with the Snow Cap toner. As far as the bleach, I did like it. I like the cream bleach. I felt like it was easy to use. I mean, I don't know, I liked it. It was good. It brightened pretty well. Well, I had already bleached it before, but even the parts that weren't bleached before, like, you know, in here, I feel like it did lighten to a good level. And yeah, well, I hope you guys liked this video. If you're not comfortable doing it at home, don't do it. I mess with my hair a lot on my own, and I don't mind it, so I really don't care for my part. But I don't recommend for you guys to do it unless you don't care either. And I might dye it green, just because green is my favorite color and I've had it green before. So if I do that, I'll post a video as well. And if oh, I did use Olaplex shampoo and conditioner in my hair when I was done. So, you know, make sure to take care of your own hair if you do this at home. And I used a lot of oils, like olive oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and like just any oil that you could use. I always use it to protect my hair anyways, like after the shower. But if you're gonna be, you know, bleaching your hair or damaging it in any way, I recommend that you use oils. And this one I brought from Mexico. It's like one of my favorites right now because it leaves your hair really soft. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked, and enjoyed this video. If it was a fail or not for you, it was not for me. So I mean, you guys could comment down below whatever you think, it's fine. And I'm not gonna post what it looks like when I do the other bleach. Maybe you guys can see it on Instagram if you follow me or something. But yeah, so this is what it came out to look like right now, and the tries that I did do. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, comment, and share.